first thing in the morning, what's the first thing you do? You open up your phone and you check social media. So I've started challenging my coaching clients to not check social media until they've spent 10 minutes or read 2 articles that their prospects would be reading. So you wake up, you go downstairs, you maybe use the restroom for a minute or two. You probably have your phone. Don't go straight to Facebook or Instagram. Go to CNET, go to Bloomberg, go to, wherever it is, Krebs on Security. In my case, a lot of Krebs. Go wherever they are and just read something. Even if you don't understand a lot of it, you're getting used to language, you're seeing what's top of mind, and you'll be shocked how much of it comes up later in the week, later in the month. And it just, that 10 minutes, first thing in the morning, really makes a big difference in your authority and your confidence too. Because it's, I can read this. I might not understand half of it, but I get the basic concepts.